Hey. Today I got a parcel from HA Paintball. It's a bit banged up, so again I hope everything is inside. The box has got some smashes. The things in this box is sponsored by me. I've bought it all myself. But let's check what's inside and see if I got it all or I have dropped something on the way. This is a rail cover for the new project and some candy. Yeah, I would like it. This is an expensive part, so I can attach a front to the M17. This one is a foregrip, a spring I will try to use for some project, another little front grip, some more candy, and this is the front, I think. And a receipt. So let's check if I got it all. We got some rail protection, some springs, some grip, some more grip, and this one, and this one. Yeah, I got it all. And a little bit of candy. So this is some cool stuff for the next project. This is a front grip, M-lock, with some screws, because it's the M-lock front. This one, nice aluminium part. This one is some sturdy plastic, pommel plastic. This one is the part for the M17, so you can mount a railing in the front and not just the standard one. Rail cover is rail cover, and the front. This is exciting. Whoa, well made. I can feel it. Wow. Oh, that's a heavy ring. That ring feels heavy. That's a very heavy ring. But I'm gonna weigh it all and tell you what it's gonna weigh when we are finished with the project. But that was all for now. Thanks to AT&T for not sponsoring this video, but sending the stuff well packed. That was all for now. Bye bye from Denmark.